Boots on the ground, put it down, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. I don't take you for granted, my friends. I really, ladies and gentlemen, you just don't know how much I appreciate you. I know there's a lot of shows out there that you could be listening to, and I am just so thankful that you're getting just a little piece of the scoop today, my friends. Can we have a drink to Washington getting a bill passed? I mean, at least they got something passed that was bipartisan, and it didn't take an executive order to get it done. So go to the Scoop store and buy you a mug, and we'll, excuse me, guys, we'll all celebrate. How's that? How's that? You know, at least the sides got together and got something done. And like Senator Manchin said, it's something for the country, something for America. So it's done. It's going to help our stocks, guys, in many, many ways in the future. It's probably not going to help a lot today or tomorrow, but in the future, we're on course to do exceptionally well, and that's what we'll do, guys. We're going to take a look here at our baby knockouts. I'm going to show you here a few of the uranium. We'll take a look at some of the lithium. We'll take a look at maybe even the Bitcoin or two, and we'll take a baby knockout there, and maybe the gold and silver. We'll just take a peek, guys, just to let you know things are on track and everything is going well in baby knockout land, shall we say. It's going good, guys. People are having fun. When you're making a little money, you know, some say it's a bear market rally, so be careful out there, guys. You know, stocks don't always go up. They come back down and crash. So we'll take a look at some charts and we'll see exactly what's going on out there, guys and gals there. But I can tell you one thing. The positioning, you guys are in just perfect position. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. If you've been trading with us for the last, 3-4 years, 5 years, or what have you, we're in perfect position, guys, and that's all I can say. It's if you're a baby knockout trader, baby knockout investor, whatever you are, you're in darn good shape. Let's take a look at some things here, guys. You know the books are available. I'm taking stuff right out of the books. So if you don't have the finances to get the books, I'm going to show you a couple things right here. This is just straight out of the book. There's nothing, you can Google Mickey D, Mickey Dee, and you can get the books. You can get whatever you want. You get that newsletter, guys. That's what you really want to be. You want to get these early on when they're pennies and stuff. That's when you want to get them. And then we add a little to them once they mature and grow up a little bit, and we see that they're doing the right thing. I'll tell you about a couple of these here I think are doing the right thing right now. Hold on one second. As I get this together. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you and your family are well. Let's take a look at some of these charts. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at our leader, Cameco. You guys know we like the upper average. We like the 200-day moving average, which is up here. But these buy signals, when I was on vacation here at the end of July here, we had a little crossover here. Came back, nice family vacation to Disneyland, came back, and it was a crossover here. We had the moving averages. We used the 48 moving average here in blue or purple or whatever color it is there for you. And we have the 13-day, which is the red moving average here. The red crosses over the 48-day is a buy signal. Some people, I'm not going to shout if you use the 50, if you use the 55, I don't care what you use. And the 13-day, I'm not going to shout if you use the 15-day. This has just been effective for moi. It's been effective for me, and I've used it even when I traded traded currencies, or no matter what I was trading. I did this, I was trading other commodities. It's the same, guys. Stocks go up and stocks go down. But this is our leader, Cameco, right now. And Cameco has crossed over. And we said these stocks generally come down and they'll test either the 13-day or they'll test the 48-day. And if they bounce convincingly, guys, we can go kind of up the hill a little way and go on up. But that's Cameco. Let's go energy fuels here. Some of the biggies before we take a look at a couple of the baby knockouts here. Energy fuels here, you see the 48 and a 13 cross here, right? At the end of July, we had this cross when everybody was on vacation and decided to kick out buy signals, and we're still going strong there. We'll have some inside bar days, guys, but that will be okay. That's just inside the little range, no problem. Denison Mines right now, it's crossed also, and it's staying above. It's riding that 13-day moving average here. Denison Mines is going to be a winner. They'll land on their feet. Whether they get, they're in a battle right now with UEC. They're both, they're in a bidding war. Hey, consolidation is good, man. Mortgage and acquisitions are good. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, guys, next gen. Anyway, we own both, so we're not worried about any of it. As long as we're going to benefit anyway, and it's good for the industry there, the sector. Next gen, guys. Next gen, the 48-day moving average. The 13 days cross the 48, and we have a midterm, short to midterm buy signal here. We'll see. This thing can roll right back over, guys. You never know. It's next gen is going to be a winner. Speaking of UEC, who's in a little bidding war there, you guys know about it. It's over. Its 13-day is over the 48-day moving average. It's a buy. It kicked in. They all kicked in about the same time, guys. In late July. So these things are good to go. We'll see if they ride out the 13-day. Sometimes they'll ride out the 48, 50-day or so. Let's see how we go. I'd like to see them ride out the 13-day and just go higher and higher and higher and higher and higher, no matter how short-term this may be. Guys, what about our lithium? So let's take a look at it. Patriot Battery Metals. This baby knockout, guys, a lot of you guys got in early. Congratulations on all of these. But we've got a crossover now, and Patriot is headed back up, $3.43 USD. It's up good today, 12% or so midday. Let's see, guys. Patriot is off and rolling. There were people that said, "Hey, Mickey D, at a quarter, 50 cents or so, I see you at $5. I'll see you at $10 and all that kind of stuff." Let's see, man. Patriot's got a lot going on, guys. I've said before, you could buy it at 50 cents, 75 cents. I was joking. I was making videos. It was going up so fast. You can make it at, catch it at $1, catch it at $1.25. Well, some people may catch it whenever you can, but that baby's gone. What about another baby knockout? What about Lake Resources? Guys, they had an issue. Lake Resources down 75% or so, guys. Lake Resources went way down. There was I think the CEO or something, there were some changes. Other than that, there's no really changes to the company. A new CEO, get another guy. This project is so good that, it's popped back up. Not quite cross yet with the 13-day, but it's heading up there. Going parabolic, guys. This thing is like 95 cents, up 10% midday today. So we will see what it does. Right out of the book, straight out of the book, guys. Straight out of the book. I'm not hiding anything. Go to Amazon.com. You can just type in Mickey D, type in uranium books, type in lithium books, and I have baby knockouts in the back of the books, guys. Ioneer. Ioneer had an issue for a minute there in my great state of Nevada. It has crossed over, guys. The issue was, I believe, a little tree or something, or a little plant or something. Well, anyway, they're going around it now, so they're going to be building a plant, guys, in Nevada. Give them a little time, and Ioneer, right out of the book, is going to be a winner, in my opinion. Guys, what about little gold and silver baby knockouts here? Looks, gold is, it hasn't done well. It's gone sideways here the last year or so. Avino, gold, silver and gold. As you can see here, we got a little crossover here. We're at the early stages of a possible Avino breakout here, guys, of gold and silver. A convincing breakout. You can say it broke out here, Mickey D. It broke out over here, but we're getting in a cross where we're getting a mid a short to mid-term buy here with Avino. What about one more, guys? Galliano. You notice the Italian a little bit. Galliano. You guys don't know it, but I lived in Aviano, Italy for a couple years there, guys. So I do have Italian credibility. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Just joking. It's having fun, guys. Galliano, though, is above 13-day has crossed above the 48-day. So gold and silver are not looking that bad. With gold over, if it can hold 1,800, silver can hold over 20. You may be looking at something here in the next 6 months or so. You never know, man. Gold moves. What about, some people say, Mickey D, what about Bitcoin, man? Bitcoin is coming back. Bitcoin is coming back. Well, we like Hive Blockchain Technologies with Frank Holmes, of course, the CEO, and it has crossed also the end of July. It has crossed up, and Hive is going strong, guys. You guys, congratulations to all of you, especially Hive right now, $6.10 USD, $6 over $6 USD. Especially you guys that have held on. We backed the truck up. You guys can recall, it was famous. We backed the truck up at under 10 cents on Hive Blockchain Technologies. Yeah, at one point in time, I believe I had over 100,000 shares of this thing. And not like you. I know some of you had 400,000 and 500,000 shares. And one of our, and I'm still trying to get a hold of this guy. He famously said, and it was with the blockchain, with the crypto stocks. He said that when it got to a certain point, he was going to buy 500 books and give them out to the inner city. We're a publishing company, we're a research company, guys. And the guy bought about 30 books. I think he made over, don't quote me on this, but the guy said he made over $5 million. So he had a lot of this stock when it went up. This is Hive Blockchain Technologies. I mean, this is before the split and twirl and turl and all that other stuff when it, went up to some dollars here, the first run up of this thing. But what is that other run up here? No, that's the split adjusted to 25, guys. Don't you believe it? And then there's the other split adjusted over 30, almost 30. That's it's the first time it ran up. That's the split adjusted stuff. But when it ran up, but he did buy some books, but I can't find him. The guy made millions, so he doesn't want to be found. So that's part of the thing. But this is one of the stocks. Hive is one of the stocks that I was asked about early on. My one of my subscribers said, Mickey D, we know that you have experience with this stuff, and you went through the .coms, and you went through uranium. This is your third uranium bull market and all that. He said, from your experience, which one of these stocks go to $100? And, I did a little thinking, a little research. I hit him back. I said, this was the stock, Hive Blockchain Technologies, because this is what I told him, because it's in a new area, right? Let's face it, guys. Blockchain, crypto, Bitcoin is not 45 years old. This is new stuff. If you can get involved with the technology, and Frank Holmes, the CEO, I met Frank Holmes. I vouched for him early on when this thing was 8 cents. I vouched for him and said, hey, if you want a good manager, you want a good CEO, Frank Holmes is the guy that we can back the truck up with Frank Holmes. I bet Frank over 25 almost 30 years ago at these conferences and stuff. I see him. He's a guy, shake his hand all the time. He's a good guy. Frank Holmes. And I vouched for him early on with high blockchain tech. It's over $6 today is the bottom line, guys. But anything, we like having some fun, and we every now and then, guys. It was just Twitter. I spy on Twitter and see what's going on in JT's. I was a month late, Mickey D, but you got me. Tim Harris is talking about the bill. It's not really going to reduce inflation. It may help the stocks. All kinds of stuff on here, guys. It is. All kinds of Nick is saying, you're putting me to sleep, Mickey D. Wake up, Nick! Wake up! Frank, ex-Navy dominates the investment world. Yeah, you Mickey D, fellow sailors like John Palomie and Derek Quick. Yeah, we dominate, man. We dominate. Is hey, U308, hey, Mickey D's awesome, this, that. We have good times, guys. We have good times, and we have bad times. Alex the Gringo, he's calling me out. He's saying, no excuses, Mickey D. Come on out. Antonio, same thing. He's saying, join the crew here. Join us. Mickey. I really don't join these groups and stuff. You guys know I don't get down like that. It's Megan. Megan, shout out from Megan. She's got a world tour going on. Thanks, Mickey. Means a lot coming from the baby knockout king. Learned a lot about the stock market and those growth stocks from you and those tips. You crushed it and can't wait to get a hold of it. Yeah, Megan, whenever you're in town, look up the baby knockout goat. This is Tony. Tony's clips are always, he's funny. He's got Mickey Mouse doing his hopping, his bebopping and doing his thing, huh? All right, it's all good. Yeah, all kinds of little stuff on there. John Quakes, hey, he knocked, this is the man. This is the professor we're talking about here. We're talking about the professor. He's talking Mickey D, and he's talking about, I think one of the speeches or something, he knocked it out of the ballpark, man. It's something, somebody else. Mickey D, anyway, we're just having fun, man. I wish my mom well, Frank, thank you. Everyone that did that. A lot of stuff, guys. If you're not on Twitter, go ahead and hit me on Twitter, man. Just follow me and I tweet a lot of this stuff. And NZ, here we go, man. NZ Warriors, they're loaded up, man. Carrier days, baby. This is a Denzel. What's Denzel? Boom! Talking about uranium and lithium stocks. Boom! Wait. Is that y'all's? Is that the man right there saying, "Show me the money"? You know who that is. And it would just have fun, guys. Just have fun. That's going to do it, guys. There's a lot of stuff out there. A lot of shout outs out there. Sometimes I look at the mentions where you're kind of mentioned in somebody's tweet or something, and they say something nice, and wait, they said something about me on CNBC. Wait a minute. No, show me the money. You show me the money. Whoa. Catch up. A lot of stuff on there, guys. Dorky there, Frank, Michael, Minor Mug, everybody's, baseload power, everybody, everybody's squily, everybody's doing their thing, man. It's just like, they're kicking it. They're killing it, they're killing it. Look at yeehaw. That's John Quakes. Quakes at 99. He gets it in, man. Guys, if you want to really follow somebody, and when it comes to that, he's a good guy to follow if you're on Twitter. But a lot of people think Twitter's a bunch of crap, which it kind of is a little bit. Let's review real quick. Cameco, looking good. Energy Fuels, looking good. Denison, looking good. Next Gen, looking good. Uranium Energy, looking good. Patriot Battery Metals, looking good. Lithium is looking good. Lake Resources is looking good. Ioneer in Nevada, looking good. Avino, silver and gold, looking good. Silver may perk up. Galliano, go! Galliano. It may perk up, guys. Keep an eye on that Hive blockchain right now. I'll have some cannabis stuff for you later. But they got to pass a bill, man. They got to help us out, guys. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.